Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SHIB video update. And look at this yesterday. I actually posted this one, and we have huge inverse head and shoulder, guys. And this inverse head and shoulder, you can see how beautiful it broke out and it's starting to move to the upside. So the technical target that we're looking for SHIB right now is from the top here to the bottom, and we're looking for SHIB to basically climb up potentially to this level right here. I'm just going to remove this little bit down here to the 1700 level as well, because that's amazing. That's really amazing. And guys, I have an announcement. If you want to join our signals, because I am running a signal as well, so you guys can actually join the Discord. Go to the announcement and you can check this guideline and agreement. I'm actually going to leave that video at the end of this video, and you can check that out. If you want to learn trading, you can check the trading course as well, which is, instead of paying $49, you can pay $29 and get $20 off. And this is the signal, and this was our last entry. By the way, I'm just going to show you that this was when I was entering SHIB as well. So we bought it at nearly 1169, and this was when I was telling them that I'm going to update you guys, and we're about to move higher. So you can see that, right? So pretty much I'm just convincing you why you should be joining our signals as well. And yeah, we're looking to still go higher. Okay, so far from our entry level, we've been up like nearly 11%, and we're looking for a 50% pump to the upside. We're still in the trade, and this is going to be done with you along the way. So it is what it is, and that's pretty much the end of this video. It doesn't really need it to be extended or anything. SHIB is looking to make a gigantic move up here to this level, and once it reaches that level, then we might actually go for the for the drop to the downside. Maybe on the weekly time frame, there's a level that I want to see broken, and that's really important. Okay, yeah, SHIB is definitely coming up here, guys. Call me crazy, but it is gonna come up here. And the thing is, this is the next level that it actually might go up to 2166. Okay, because that's the only logical resistance that you have. It might come up here, break this level, move sideways, and make this left shoulder that big head and the right shoulder, and we're good to go to the moon, back up to these levels as well. And that's it for today's SHIB update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.